Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with M1 Finance Borrow. Review my usage experience. M1 Finance Borrow offers margin loans secured by the assets held within your M1 Finance investment account. Its main purpose is to provide investors with access to capital for various needs, targeting existing M1 Finance users who already have a diversified portfolio. Key features include competitive interest rates and easy integration with your existing investment account. Their website provides details on eligibility requirements and specific interest rates. M1 Finance Borrow positions itself as a convenient and potentially cost-effective way to borrow against your investments. They highlight the ease of application and integration with their existing platform, emphasizing the lack of hidden fees and potentially transparent pricing. The application process leverages your existing M1 Finance account information, streamlining the borrowing process. Eligibility depends on the value of your portfolio and the type of assets held. You can check your eligibility through your M1 Finance account dashboard. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using M1 Finance Borrow. Getting started was incredibly easy. I already had an M1 Finance account, so accessing the Borrow feature was just a few clicks away. The interface was intuitive. I quickly understood the loan terms and the process to request funds. I found the application process straightforward and the approval was almost instantaneous. I borrowed $5,000 against my portfolio and the funds were transferred to my linked bank account within 24 hours. The interest rate was competitive compared to other options I considered, and repayment was easily managed through my M1 Finance dashboard. I was really impressed by how clearly everything was presented, making tracking payments and interest accrued extremely simple. One minor drawback was the inability to make partial early repayments, but this wasn't a huge deal for me. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with M1 Finance Borrow. It met my needs, and the convenience of having everything within the M1 Finance ecosystem was a significant advantage. That's my overview of M1 Finance Borrow. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.